Assembly points. A place of safety is usually designated as the fire assembly point and is a key piece to any emergency plan. It should be well known and clearly marked to provide an easy location during an emergency. Within the vessel, the evacuation notices should indicate the assembly point. Single assembly point is sufficient, but you may need more than one, for example, because of prevailing weather conditions, hazardous materials location, occupants needing to exit from opposite sides, or due to the scale or complexity of the premises. Each assembly point should have a safety officer responsible for managing the affairs of the assembly point during an emergency until the situation is all clear. The assembly point should be located far enough away from the fire site to afford protection from heat and smoke in a fire situation, but not so far away as to discourage people from using it. Fire assembly points should be in positions that do not put staff, visitors, and users of the vessel at risk from emergency vehicles responding to the incident, or from general/other traffic in the vicinity. Therefore, the fire assembly points should be located away from, and off the vehicle access routes leading to the fire site. Ideally, the fire assembly points should be located so as not to require the crossing of a road or movement through trafficked areas. Fire assembly points are temporary gathering areas where it can be immediately determined if everyone is out of the vessel. Appropriate decisions should be made in regard to continuance of use of the fire assembly points for longer durations. Management and staff should undertake fire drills so that they will be familiar with what should be done in the event of a fire occurring and the locations and use of the fire assembly points.